Hey guys, so what we got going on here today, this is a, well let's see, the trimmer, we're replacing this Line IQ head. The trimmer is a, can I read this part number? Can I find this? Oh, ST1620T. It's the carbon shaft with the, you know, the auto load and the Line IQ head. Now I've explained something to you. I don't like the Line IQ. I love this trimmer. I hate the head. In fact, I bought another trimmer with a bump head just because this one is garbage. It's been nothing but problems since I got it. But I want to make a YouTube video today changing the Line IQ head. So this is going to be kind of a learn as we go sort of thing. Now the head I'm using is an Ego AH1620. 16-inch Line IQ string trimmer replacement head. So let's just get to it. I'm glad to see a piece of paper in here. Hopefully it's got instructions. Put that down there. Replacement string trimmer head. Oh, this looks simple enough. Yeah, let's just get after it. So we're going to take the end off here. The line never comes out of here good, so we're just going to waste all of our line. That's okay though. There's not very much left in there. And I'll show you guys for the, you know, for any important bits. I'll, come on, get off. I'll bring you guys in closer. Let me grab a little trusty light here. Look in here what they're talking about. Oh yes indeed, I see. Okay, so we're going to zip that right off. Grab that. Do they say what size wrench I need? That would save me a lot of time. No, they don't. That's okay. I'll figure it out. I've got all the tools in the world. Since we want to be pretty quick about it, we're going to use some pneumatics. Looks like a small one. Bigger than that though. Really? There we go. It is a, where's it at? Really? There's no size on this socket? Okay, well it's a Cobalt 337749. I have no size, no idea what size that is. Seriously? They don't have the sizes? Oh, I see. It's further. I'm used to looking at the bottom. It's further up. So this is a 1/2 inch. So you're going to need a 1/2 inch socket. This is a 1/2 inch drive 1/2 inch socket, which is overkill, but it's what I have handy to me. We're just going to take this off. Which way does it go? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Now this piece, this head is going to just slide right off. I'm not sure how careful we have to be. I would love to disassemble this. I might someday, but I don't know how careful we have to be with. This one has loose parts in it. Let me shut this off. Yeah, the new one, that worries me a little bit, but let's open it up. So Ego sent me this head as a warranty repair. I'll tell you right now, I am totally done with their warranty repairs. It took 5 months to get me this head. It was absurd. Oh, come on, why are you being difficult? There we go. Oh, I see, it's just a bolt that's loose in here, okay. And I'm not even certain that this is going to fix the problem. certain it's going to fix the problem. Get it right back in there. So I'll show you what we're looking at here. If you could see that, there's just this 1/2 inch bolt or nut goes right in there. It's kind of a deep well in there. I'm going to use some needle nose pliers or something to get down in there, but I got little small fingers, and I'm sure this socket can help me a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to there it is. Nope, I think it's in the coupons. I'm going to tighten this by hand because I don't know how tight it's supposed to be. I don't imagine it's supposed to be ridiculous, and a 1/2 inch impact is probably way too much. There we go. Is there any, let me just look here. No, there's no way to, you know what? I'm just going to give it a go. See what it looks like. Alright, now let's put the end back on. Let's see if we can feed this old line back through. I don't think we're going to be able to, because I never have luck. Oh, look at that, it went right through. Okay, so that's going to work out. That's pretty close. Oh, we need to put a battery in it. This is a ridiculous 4-amp battery, but we need power for the auto load. Let's see if it auto loads. All right. Oh, I auto-loaded too much, so I'll have to do that again. Alright, and that, guys, is how you replace one of these Line IQ heads. And now I got to admit, it's a lot, it's easier than I thought it was going to be. I actually received this head like a week ago in the mail after waiting 5 months. And I've just been kind of sitting on it because I was too afraid to do it right away. But anyway, that's how you go. Short video today, but there you go.